first hack is going to help you crack an egg the right way. You don't want to use any corners or edges like the side of a bowl or your counter. Instead, you're going to want to use a flat surface to crack the egg on, and this will help you not get any shells in your batter. Hack number 2 is going to help you keep your kitchen all clean and tidy and not make it look like this. I know we've all put flour in the mixer and then it sprays all over and it is horrible to clean up. So all you're gonna do is cut a hole in a paper plate, slide your beater in that, fasten it to your mixer, and this will cover the bowl so you can still turn it on and you won't have a kitchen like this. Hack number 3 is going to help you get every last drip of batter out of your bowl. All you're going to do is replace your regular spoon that you're using with a silicone lined spoon. So I think these are called batter spoons, but they just really help you get every last drip out of your batter, and just something that is really easy to do but can go a long way. Next is another simple utensil you can use for your baking. All you're gonna do is just use an ice cream scoop for cookie dough, and this will help you get a more consistent size and portion. So this can be really helpful. The next 2 hacks are almost technology hacks, because when you're looking at a recipe on your phone, usually Google or whatever browser you're using will redirect you to a blog like this, and it ends up having tons of pictures and text and ads and videos and a lot of stuff that can distract you from finding the actual recipe. So all you're gonna have to do is, in the top left corner you see the A, and you're just gonna click on that and press show reader view. And this is gonna simplify everything, get rid of all the ads. So you just have the blog post and the pictures, and then you can scroll down to the recipe. The next tip is another way you can do this. So you just wanna go back to the original website, and you're just gonna find the print recipe button. And most websites have this. But it takes you to a new link. You can use the reader view for this too, but it will just take you to a nicer looking page that is just the recipe. If you are someone who cries when cutting onions, this next hack is for you. All you're gonna need is an essential oil called On Guard. It's also called Thieves in other brands besides doTERRA, but you just put a little drop on your hand, rub it in, and this actually works really well to help you not get all emotional, I guess, when you're cutting onions. Hack number 8 is to grate your butter using a cheese grater. This is really helpful when making pie crusts, because you want your butter chilled but still thin and easy to work with. So all you're gonna use is a cheese grater, and it just makes your butter easier to work with. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found some helpful tips that you can use this Thanksgiving, and I will